Hey everyone, welcome back to Hack Talk series of VIEH Group. Today's cybersecurity news is hot, so grab your virtual sword and shield. We're diving into 5 major cybersecurity news that affect your online world. Let's go. Today's top 5 news stories. First, Raccoon Infostealer Takedown. Mark Sokolovsky, alleged operator of the infamous Raccoon Malware, has been extradited to the US to face trial. This marks a significant win for international cybersecurity cooperation. Second news, Russian Webmail exploit. Watch out, Roundcube users. Russian cyber actors are exploiting vulnerabilities in this popular Webmail client to target European governments and critical infrastructure. Patch your system's ASAP. Third news, financial ransomware rampage. The DoppelPaymer gang is claiming responsibility for recent cyber attacks against Loan Depot and Prudential Financial. This highlights the continued threat ransomware poses to financial institutions. Fourth news, AI for cybersecurity. Google is launching an AI initiative to strengthen cybersecurity capabilities. This could be a game changer in the fight against cybercrime. Fifth, and today's last news, hacking groups lose AI tools. OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, is cracking down on hacking groups linked to major nation-states. This disrupts their potential use of AI for malicious purposes. Bonus news, stay extra secure at home with your devices. Google Chrome's new feature helps block attacks against your home network.
Now the news is over. It's time for your feedback. Which of these news stories grabbed your attention the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you have any specific cybersecurity concerns you'd like us to explore in future episodes? Let us know.
That's all for today's Hack Talks. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to protecting yourself online. So keep learning, keep questioning, and keep hacking in the ethical way. Until next time, stay secure.